Today, we're going to learn the future continuous tense and how to talk about actions happening at a specific time in the future. The future continuous describes an action that will be in progress at a particular time in the future. The key question is, what will you be doing at that future time? The basic formula is subject, will be, and the verb ending in sing. For example, I will be studying at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. The action will be happening at that future time. At 9 p.m., she will be watching TV. The action will be in progress at that specific future time. Remember, the main verb must use the ing form after will be. For example, study becomes studying, and work changes to working. We often use future continuous with expressions such as at 8 p.m., this time tomorrow, and this time next week. This time tomorrow, I will be traveling to Bali. The action will be happening at that future moment. To make the future continuous negative, use will not be or won't be, followed by the thinking form. At 7 p.m., I won't be playing football. This tells us that the action will not be happening at that future time. To make a question, begin with will, followed by the subject, be, and the verb ending in ing. For short answers, we say, yes, I will, or no, I won't. No, I won't. We can ask about the activity with a WH question. What will you be doing at 8 p.m.? Future simple talks about a future action. Future continuous focuses on an action in progress at a specific future time. Your turn. At 10 p.m., they what? Think about the correct future continuous form. The answer is, they will be watching TV. Will be plus the verb ending in ting. Remember, will be plus verbing for an action that will be happening at a future time. Keep practicing. Thank you for learning with me. Like, follow, and subscribe to Mr. Riyan channel for more English lessons.